Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to allow others to remix your public reels and use your original audio on Facebook using a PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made this setting easier to find, but if you don't know where to look, it can still feel a bit hidden. So let's walk through it step by step. First, open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A small panel will expand, and here you'll need to click on Settings to access your full account settings. Now that you're inside the Settings page, look for the section related to Reels. Depending on your layout, you might need to scroll a little to find it. Once you see Reels, click on it to open the available options. Inside the Reels settings, you'll find an option called Allow others to use your original audio and remix your future public reels. Click on this option to continue. You'll now see a setting labeled Remixing and Original Audio Use. This is where you control whether other users can interact creatively with your content. Select this option to enable it. After selecting your preference, don't forget the final step. Click on Save to apply the changes. If you skip this, your settings won't be updated. That's it. From now on, other people will be able to remix your public reels and use your original audio, helping your content reach a wider audience and potentially grow faster on the platform.